Winter is almost over, but that doesn't mean you can't get sick. Aside from the pandemic, if you have been sick with a cold or flu, you might be looking for a good food to eat. Let's talk about what you should eat when you're sick. Spicy food. When you're feeling under the weather, nothing beats a hot meal. I don't believe they had this in mind. I know it's difficult to believe, but the spicy food can help you feel better. Eating a few tiny chili peppers can quickly open your sinuses, resulting in a stuffy nose. The spice loosens the mucus. It's not the spice itself, but rather something within the spice. Have you ever heard of capsaicin? This is the chemical in the hot peppers that causes the burning sensation. Capsaicin thins your mucus, making it easier for it to appear, according to research. The only problem is that this will often end in more mucus production. So just prepare to have your nose running like a faucet. Bananas. Not precisely a dish that pairs well with hot peppers, but is still a significant one. Bananas are a really good food for when you are sick. Ever heard of the bread diet? Bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast are all foods go down easily when you are sick. Just consider this, bananas are relatively calorie-dense and easy to chew. Additionally, you are receiving some decent nutrients. A banana works wonders for upset stomachs. A single medium-sized banana provides more than 10% of your daily dietary fiber needs and approximately 100 calories. Yogurt. This breakfast is also an option. Staple looking for a quick snack? Yogurt can help. Sure, yogurt contains a lot of minerals and vitamins, but the main thing to look forward to is the probiotics. Probiotics contains beneficial bacteria that help keep your body healthy. These probiotics have been shown in studies to reduce your chances of getting cold. Oh yeah, honey. Things are improving. In the medical field, honey is more than just a simple topping you spread on bread. Because of its well-known antimicrobial properties, honey was even used to treat wounds in ancient Egyptian medicine. Honey is also used to treat colds for precisely these reasons. You see, when you're sick, honey will boost your immunity. It relieves sore throats. The lovely thing about honey is that it goes well with more than just a piece of toast. In a glass of milk, add a teaspoon and stir. It will also work with some water. Here comes the best, tea. Tea is perhaps the most well-known of all the foods and beverages used to treat illness. The mere sight of a steaming cup will cure your cough. Tea is like spice, has the ability to open your sinuses. This will cause the mucus to run. If you have a sore throat, the heat will aggravate it. You should be concerned about dehydration if you have been losing a lot of water. Fortunately for you, tea can help. Tea contains very little caffeine, so you can drink it without losing any more fluids. Tea also contains polyphenols, which have a variety of effects, including antioxidants that support the immune system. It has been demonstrated that black tea can reduce the amount of bacteria in your throat. Here comes the king, garlic. Garlic has also been used in the medicine for centuries. Garlic contains compounds that are beneficial to your immune system. Garlic eaters get sick less than non-garlic eaters, according to studies. Garlic consumers have approximately 70% fewer sick days. People who eat garlic while sick are also known to recover faster. Garlic supplements have been shown in studies to reduce cold and flu symptoms. This is accomplished by assisting the immune system in building strength and fighting illness. Coconut water. When you're sick, tea is not the only thing you should drink. When you have a fever or the flu, coconut water will keep you hydrated. You will lose water and electrolytes due to the amount of fluids leaving your body. If your body is dehydrated, coconut water will make you feel refreshed. It can replenish the electrolytes you lost during illness. This is especially true if you have diarrhea. I don't mean to be gross, but if you're going to the bathroom every few minutes to relieve yourself, you are going to lose a lot of water. Coconut water has been shown to help relieve stomach pain and mild diarrhea. There's also evidence that coconut water can help repair oxidative damage and keep your blood sugar levels stable. Just be cautious of the bloating it causes. That's right, coconut water can make you feel bloated and disgusting. So why not try one for a start and see how you feel? Who doesn't enjoy a tasty bowl of oatmeal? This is the best time to eat one if you're feeling sick. It's an excellent way to replenish your nutrients while keeping your stomach satisfied. It will also help to boost your immune system and lower your blood sugar levels. According to research, the beta-glucan found in oatmeal can help reduce inflammation in the gut. It can also help with bloating and diarrhea in your digestive system. Oatmeal also contains a good amount of protein, which aids digestion while keeping you full. There's also an abundance of fiber. A single cup of oatmeal has 133% of your dietary fiber for the day. So if you have had the flu for the last couple days and you haven't eaten oatmeal in a while, make yourself a bowl. When you are sick, chicken soup with tea is like the holy grail of foods to eat. It not only has great effects, but it's also very soothing. This is why it has been around for hundreds of years. Chicken soup is a treasure trove. I'm referring to vitamins A, iron, fiber, and protein. When you are sick, your body requires all of these things. It will also help to keep you hydrated. Do you eat any of these foods when you're sick? Let us know in the comment section below. So there you have it, 9 powerful foods to eat when you're feeling sick. Your diet is crucial during sickness. Ensure to get the right nutrients.